Today, we have an exciting showdown between two top under-sink water filter brands. In the blue corner, we have a newly launched SimPure Q3600 under sink, which is SGS tested to remove chlorine, fluoride, and PFAS while also having lower annual maintenance. And in the red corner, it's the Waterdrop G3P600, an IAPMO certified product against NSF standards 42, 53, and 58 and comes with smart features. So, in this video, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison based on contaminant removal, water flow rate, ease of installation, and maintenance to see which one offers the best value for your money. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. First up, contaminant removal. SimPure uses a two-filter system, carbon and RO membrane, designed to effectively remove sediment, chlorine, and unpleasant tastes and odors from water. Additionally, it offers an optional UV add-on. It's been SGS tested against NSF 42 and 58 standards to remove chlorine, fluoride, PFAS, and even bacteria. But there are a few downsides. It struggles with iron and water hardness above 10 GPG, making it a better fit for city water. It's not NSF certified, but independent tests have confirmed that it effectively reduces TDS. Also, there's no remineralization filter, so the water might taste a bit flat. On the other hand, Waterdrop G3P600 takes things a step further with an 8-stage filtration system, using pre-sediment, carbon block, and RO. It holds IAPMO certifications against NSF standards 42, 53, and 58 to remove contaminants such as chlorine, fluoride, PFAS, and chromium. Like the SimPure, it is designed for city water use and cannot handle water hardness beyond 7 GPG in well water. Also, independent tests have confirmed its effectiveness in reducing most harmful TDS. So it's a tie. Even though Waterdrop has official certifications, SimPure delivers satisfactory performance with SGS certifications. Moving on to water flow rate and design. Both SimPure and Waterdrop are rated at 600 gallons per day and have 0.5 gallons per minute flow rate. This means both can fill your 8-ounce glass in approximately 8 seconds. Both systems have a pure-to-drain ratio of 2:1, minimizing water wastage during filtration. Both filters have tankless designs that occupy minimal under-sink space. So, there's a tie as both offer fast flow rates, minimizing wastage. Now, let's look at ease of installation. Both systems come with a detailed user manual and step-by-step video guides, making installation straightforward. All the necessary fittings, tubing, and connectors are included, so you won't need extra parts. However, both systems require an electrical outlet under the sink. Once installed, both filters are easy to prime. Overall, it's a tie as both are easy to install. Now, let's talk about maintenance. SimPure Q3600 has a simple maintenance setup with a control panel under the sink that displays the filter life status. The CF filter lasts 6 to 12 months, while the RO membrane needs replacing every 12 to 18 months. The best part? Annual replacement costs are just $109, making it one of the more affordable options over time. Waterdrop G3P600, on the other hand, features a smart display faucet that not only shows the filter's life status, but also provides real-time TDS monitoring. Its pre-filter lasts 6 months, the carbon block lasts 12 months, and the RO membrane lasts up to 24 months. However, the annual filter replacement cost is around $145, which is noticeably higher than SimPure's. One advantage of Waterdrop is its automatic flushing system, which helps maintain performance by flushing every 2 hours of operation and after a power outage. This feature can help extend filter life, but it also means slightly higher water usage. Overall, SimPure Q3600 wins this category due to its lower maintenance costs, while Waterdrop has more advanced features. Finally, let's talk about customer support and warranty. SimPure Q3600 comes with a 1-year warranty covering material defects and a 30-day money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied. Plus, you have the option to extend the warranty to 2 years by registering your product on their website. Their customer service is decent too. Waterdrop G3P600 offers the same 1-year warranty and 30-day money-back guarantee, but it also comes with lifetime technical support even if the warranty expires. Waterdrop's support team is also helpful and responsive. Overall, both brands provide solid warranty coverage and reliable customer support, making this a draw. With all said and done, here's our final verdict. If you're looking for lower maintenance costs and an extended warranty, SimPure Q3600 is the better option. But if you prefer smart features like automatic flushing and a tedious monitoring faucet, then Waterdrop G3P600 is perfect for you. Just like SimPure, Waterdrop launched X16 under sink water filter last year. Check out this video to see if it's worth your needs.